Drop side truck. That's all. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Try another color. Try another color. Hooray! Let's finish the walls. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep up the good work. Hooray! We have to assemble bucket lift. Done! Help the car make its way. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects to clear the way. You're doing really great. We need to protect the house from foul weather. Let's wash. Bucket lift. We did it! We need to assemble. Lift crane. Ready. It's time to fuel. Lift crane. Try another refueling gun. Choose another color. Keep it up. Let's finish the porch. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. That's all. We did it! We need to assemble. Garbage truck. Keep up the good work. Help the car make its way. Drag the part to its place. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Hooray! Let's remove the construction waste. We need to wash. Garbage truck. We did it! We have to assemble.